Connecting Metamask to Binance Smart Chain couldn't be any easier, guys. When I decided to join MONEYTREE, I was just using the Binance wallet. The Binance wallet would not connect. The only way it's going to connect is via the Metamask. So with our Metamask account, we can have a sub-account, so to speak, with the Binance Smart Chain, which I'll show you right now. As you can see, when I've opened my Metamask, it's saying here, the secret recovery phrase controls all of your accounts. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. The Metamask team will never ask for your secret recovery phrase. Keep it in a safe and secure place. If you're ever on Telegram and for some strange reason people are asking for your secret recovery phrase in order to try and help you out, then it's a scam. Only you should ever know your secret recovery phrase, guys. Anyway, so as we can see, I've logged into Metamask here. When we're at the top here, we can see the networks. We've got Ethereum, the main account. So this is my new Metamask Ethereum account. Obviously, in order to connect to the MONEYTREE, I've had to add the Binance Smart Chain to my Metamask, so to speak. So in order to do that, guys, we're just going to go to Custom RPC. And then we can see here it's asking for network, new RPC URL, ChainID, currency symbol optional, block explorer, URL optional. Well, we've got all the details here for you. So as we can see, we've got the smart chain there. Just copy and paste it all in, guys. It's so much easier. So as you can see, as soon as we've added all these details here, and we click approve, we then end up with our smart chain account in the networks here, as we can see. Smart chain Ethereum network still there. It's not like we've converted the Metamask to Ethereum from Ethereum to the smart chain. I've not been using the Metamask wallet for a number of years, to be honest. But I'm going to start using it again because a number of services are requiring the need of these wallets. Lots of services with smart contracts like MONEYTREE. With MONEYTREE right now, we can deposit BNB, we can deposit Cake, and we can deposit token. I'm going to do more videos very soon depositing to each of these particular services or tokens, so to speak. When we're depositing our BNB and Cake here, the idea is to grow our BNB and grow our Cake. You know, the price of BNB might go down, the price of Cake might go down, but as long as we're multiplying the amount of tokens that we've got, then that's what we want. That's the long-term aim. Have more tokens of our favoured cryptos that could be showing serious price appreciation over the years, guys. And I say over the years because I'm only joining MONEYTREE because I do believe this has got the chance to be here for years. Anyway, catch you in the next video. Bye now.